can't not laugh. So I'm gonna laugh my way through this video. But I wanted to talk to you about the new decision that YouTube creators have been asked to make. And I wanted to tell you why I chose the adult option for my channel. And one of the reasons why I did is because I work with the kind of materials in soap making that only adults would handle, and that it's only safe for an adult to handle. I handle caustic chemicals like sodium hydroxide, which is lye, and I work with high temperature oils, very high temperature oils, around 200, over 200 degrees. I also use sharp utensils. Twist it off. Probably making everybody nervous with that knife. Even though I may use something fun like a fun fragrance oil, for instance, a Play-Doh copy. Smell this.
Smells good.
For adults, everyone can use the soaps that I make. Everyone. They're for everybody. Not everybody makes soap, but everybody uses soap. You gotta get clean, right? So even with the COPPA designation in place, you can still look forward to good, clean soap making videos from the Soap Peasant, and I hope that you continue to enjoy watching tutorials and sometimes just watching me do things my own way and see if they work out or not. So we're just going to keep doing what we've been doing and have fun with it, and we're just going to continue to make soap. You just keep watching, and I would appreciate if you give me a thumbs up. Melt and Pour is hot too, so it's gonna be wahoo! Shut up. Serious. Sort of.